Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and today we're looking at the iPad Pro 2018 model. This is the one that doesn't have the home button, very thin bezels all the way around the outside, and it's got a very different design. It's kind of like the Surface Pro design, so it's got that flat edge to it, not a rounded back like the last model that they have. The screen is, of course, gorgeous, and the Apple Pencil 2 magnetically attaches to the side and charges that way. That is, in my opinion, the best addition to the new package by Apple. You can see here the two sizes, and the big one feels very big, especially with the edge-to-edge screen. So you can see again that different side than we're used to for an iPad. The iPad usually has those slightly rounded corners here. The magnet on the pencil is not quite as strong as the one on the Surface devices, but it's definitely ample. Being able to charge to that again is a great addition. The double tap function on the flat edge as a button was fairly easy to use. I do like the single click feel from actual physical button, but the double tap did work really well. And you can see here, double tap, double tap, double tap. Woohoo! And we're inside of Notes because they did not have Procreate on any of the in-store devices. So the screen, the pencil on the screen feels exactly like it did in the last version. It is still that plastic on glass feel. The pencil is a little bit lighter. The screen looks like it might be slightly thinner than the last iPad Pro, but really was not something that I ever had a complaint over. The feeling, it feels like it's definitely a better experience. By the way, the Apple Pencil 2 does not work on the last gen iPad Pro. All right, so guys, so this is something brand new. Put questions in the comments. I'll probably do a follow-up that does some testing in Procreate, but I anticipate it being exactly the same experience, just a different hardware design. We're also considering doing a version of Tablet Pro for the iPad, which you can see in this Art Rage video. And if this is something that interests you, I'd love to see in the comments just a me too, yes please, or something along those lines to let us know that it's worth developing. Again, that would give you guys the ability to put keyboard shortcuts on the screen as opposed to having a separate Bluetooth keyboard or having to hold the device at a weird angle. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. More to come. Please subscribe, and thank you for being a part of our community.